Hello guys, my name is Tom and welcome to a new video. Today I want to show you how I played Coldplay Fly On. So I made a cover version for this, and you already know it if you see one of my latest videos. The one where I showed you how to fake piano skills, and it was called How to Play Piano in Just 3 Minutes, this video. And today I'm gonna show you the whole part of this song. So in the right hand, as I showed you last time, we played this. I hope you remember. And now we only need to find the right part for the left hand. It's pretty easy, I will show you. At the beginning, you start with these two black ones and you play it like this, together. Every time when I hit this white button, you need to press those two black buttons at the same time, like this. I show you again. I hope you understand. Now again. It's pretty easy. There's nothing else. At the next, you need to press something else in the left hand. First it was this. Now you only need to put your little finger on the white key left from the black one. You see this white key and this black key. Now you combine them. So, and it should sound like this. You saw it? Now the both parts together. Oh, and this wasn't right. I made a mistake. Again. Pretty awesome. Now you need to play this. Yes, those two white keys. It's on the right, it's D, and on the little finger it's the C, D, E, F, G. The G and the D. Pretty easy. So first it was those black keys, white and black, D and G, two white ones. Now I play. And again. And the last part, you only need to switch two white keys to the left side. And it sounds like this. Oh, something sounds strange. I need to test it. And the complete. No, it's completely right. Yes. Those two white keys. And when you start playing this part after you play this, you stop right here at the black key and start new from this key, white key. Like this. I show you again, complete. Then, this was all. Now I'll show you how to play it completely. last part where you only play this, the end, you only need to press this white key on the left hand. It's the D. I play again the whole part. So, this was all. And I just want to tell you at least that I would really recommend it if you hold this one button left. If you hold this button, which let the so the sound won't end. You know what I mean? If I only press this, the sound will disappear in just a second, pretty fast. But if you hold this one button at the bottom, it sounds like this. It holds the sound. And if you don't press this, it wouldn't sound that nice. If you hear, there's something missing. So this was just a tip. And also you don't need to play it at the middle of the piano or keyboard or where you're playing this. You can also play it here at the right side. For example, and it sounds more clearly, more lovely. So, thanks for watching my video, and like and share if you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.